Hey, it's Steve. Have you ever seen that episode of Seinfeld where Jerry knocks out that woman by feeding her turkey so he could play with her toy dolls? We've all experienced that Thanksgiving Day sleepiness brought on by turkey, right? Most of us know that the ingredient that causes that is called tryptophan. But what you might not know, metabolites of tryptophan can actually quiet our overactive immune system, and that is better than anything. But many don't know that tryptophan only works on the brain to suppress inflammation when ingested on an empty stomach. So eating food containing tryptophan, it won't work for our brain. What does work is how I do it. I consume all food in the morning. Then my body has all day to clear out the food by the time I go to bed. Then I take a tryptophan supplement. Certain tryptophan molecules form as the body breaks down tryptophan, and it works as well as any other existing medication to alleviate multiple sclerosis symptoms. So diet and immunity are inexplicably linked. I think it just underscores the remarkable effect diet can have on immunity. So just don't exclusively eat food containing tryptophan. The body will most likely just break it down before it reaches the brain. Supplement it in pill form. It's exciting. There's probably a lot about tryptophan's ability to control and suppress the immune system, but I think tryptophan is a great supplement when taken right. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.